This is the La Fortuna Waterfall.
About to travel to Costa Rica? Looking for things to do in Costa Rica and where they're located? Do you need GPS driving directions to places such as hotels and activities? Would you also like travel guide descriptions of things to do in Costa Rica by skill level? With the LeaningTraveler Costa Rica app, you can receive GPS map directions and detailed travel guide descriptions to thousands of things to do by skill level, places, and hotels. Download the LeaningTraveler Costa Rica app today and let the LeaningTraveler help you locate hotels and thousands of things to do, provide travel guide descriptions, and GPS mapping directions. LeaningTraveler Costa Rica app is free to download. Download the LeaningTraveler Costa Rica app today and start planning your Costa Rica adventure.